Ooh. My rainwater pool. So this is my rainwater pool. So it's fed by rain, completely only by rain. Nothing from the local water district. We're here in my province of Surigao, in the northernmost tip of the island of Mindanao, in our country, the Philippines. No? So as you can see, I collected all the water coming from the downspout of our house. Yes, that's one of our house, mommy. So that's our house. So one of the water supplying this rainwater pool comes from that house, as well as from that house over there, our neighbor's house. That's our neighbor's house. And this one is from my mother's house. Okay, so there's technically three houses. There's a pipe over there, that's the blue pipe over there, coming from those three houses, and they all pull together and are collected over through this area. So this is how I keep my pool, no, supplied with water, and it's always freshly refreshed, replenished. So now it's overflowing. So the pool now is overflowing. Okay, so there, that's how it is. Seen from another angle. So here the water is overflowing. Okay, from another angle. Oh, there. That's how it is. I hope you like it, guys. Maybe you want to build your own pool using or collecting rainwater. It's going to save you a lot. It's very useful here in our place, considering that we have a lot of rain. Huh? We are in a tropical area, and there's quite a lot of rain, so that's why I got the idea of collecting all this rainwater and pull it over this pool. So right now, maybe my chlorine got washed. I will have to do a replenishing of my chlorine, but technically this is how it is. Okay, so I hope you, I tried to look for rainwater pools here in the from the YouTube, but as of today I haven't seen anyone. So I hope you guys get an idea of how it is. Okay, so there, that's how fast my pure water. Yeah. Oops. I think the rain is going up again. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'm getting wet now. I have to what's this? Shelter. Okay.